Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Outlook and going straight to the junk email folder. You want to act now. Scan the sender and subject lines because spoofed names often mimic contacts. Once done, enable the preview pane so you can read safely without activating links or attachments. Make sure to mark obvious spam with junk to train filters. That improves future detection. If a message looks suspicious but important, move it to a hold folder while you verify sender details. Next, you dig into message details to confirm whether it's truly spam. Open the message and view message options or headers. The received and return path lines reveal the sending route, and mismatches between display name and actual address are red flags. Also examine the body for urgent requests, payment demands, or poor grammar. These are common spam traits. Once you identify these indicators, use the junk block sender or report as phishing commands to remove risk and help Outlook learn patterns. Finally, you complete the cleanup by choosing the right action. Block sender for repeats, report as phishing for credential scams, or delete permanently for garbage. Make sure to add real contacts to safe senders so important mail won't be filtered out. If you still see spam slipping through, go to junk email options and raise the protection level or add custom blocked words. This tightens filtering. One troubleshooting tip: if legitimate mail is marked spam, lower the filter or whitelist that sender immediately to restore delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.